In this video, I'm just going to show you the startup procedure, and I'm going to engage the mower deck on this brand new 2020 Simplicity Courier. Now this is basically just to show you the automatic choke feature, show you how loud it is, engage the deck, show you how loud that is. To me, this is a nice, quiet riding mower. The deck is quiet, the motor's quiet, it's super comfortable to ride on. And I'm just going to show you the startup. We'll engage the PTO and you guys can hear what it sounds like. So it doesn't matter where you have this throttle position lever, it's going to automatically choke if it needs to. You just need to have your hydro arms all the way out. That's engaging the parking brake. There's the idle all the way down. Now, whenever you engage the mower deck, you want to be at full throttle. Don't engage the mower deck at idle. Another thing, you always want to shut it off at full throttle. That kind of gets a little bit of the excess fuel out of the carburetor so it doesn't backfire. But that's kind of the startup procedure of this 2020 Courier. This is the 48-inch deck model. Once again, just showing this electric kind of automatic choke feature. Works great. This thing starts perfect every single time. Nice quiet motor. Stay tuned for more videos on this mower, and thanks for watching.